Hey guys, welcome back to the Untitled Fishing YouTube channel. Today we're fishing a spot that some people that watch my channel might know. Catching big bass and pickerel here. I'm probably gonna have to do voiceovers on all this audio because it is so many cicadas here today. Like there is tons of cicadas here, and they are roaring through the trees. Darn it! I had one. I had one on. Oh, funny. I've caught big pickerel right out in this spot, if you know my channel. There's one. Jeez, nice fish. Nice fish. Nice fish. Oh, huge. Dude, a monster something. Dad, this might be PB. It's huge. Holy. Dad, we gotta come here and do the catch and cook. Oh, that's a monster bluegill. Dang, I knew it was something nice. I thought it was a small pickerel. I knew it was a decent, some sort of good fish. Oh, on set right away. Another one. Another nice sunny. They're slamming the rooster tail. There we go. It's not a big one, but this is like average. A little smaller than average for this spot. Here we go. Smacking the big sunnies out here. They're loving this right in this current, letting coming right to them. Dang it. Missing so many hits out here. There's a lot of fish too. Don't know how well you can see, but I'm casting back into these weeds this cast. I got hit. I got hit that time. Got him. Oh, that's a largemouth bass. That's second species. Ashley, what'd you get? There we go. Dad, bite's awesome out here. Jeez, this is why I needed this fishing day. Been struggling to get videos out, as you can see, but hopefully I'm finally back. Been busy, school just ended though, so hopefully some content out for you guys. There's another one. What is that? That's a bass. No, what is it? A crappie. A nice crappie. Wow, that's a dude, I'm on fire today. I was just saying.
That might be your PB crappie.
That it definitely is, yeah. I was just saying. Yeah. Here we go. I was just saying I needed this fishing day. After the. Yeah. So many fish over here. Here we go. Black crappie. There we go, Ash, crappie.
Oh wow.
Jeez. They're just slamming the rooster tail. Holy crap, Ash, that's big. You see the size of that thing?
Yeah, I'm ready.
That's a hybrid. Ash, is that your PP?
Maybe. It's a big one. It's a big one.
That is.
How big it was and what you're doing.
What were you using, Ash?
I was using
It's a monster. So that's a slab bluegill green sunfish hybrid. We got to come back here and make the catch and crook. There's so many monsters, and I would have kept that crappie too.
I'm gonna catch one as soon as I catch.
Did you put that one right in the current?
I think.
Well, I actually got my crappie. I got my crappie out in the bar.
Oh, that's a fish? I thought that was a weed. Oh.
That's big bass.
It's a big bass.
Oh.
Ash, just let it go.
Hey, put 'em on, don't pull it out with your pole. Don't pull it out with your
Bring it
pole.
over to me.
Don't break your pole.
Bring it over.
I'm trying not
Bring
to.
it out. Just go
Pull
right
some
to
line
the
out.
thumb.
I did.
Thumb.
Ice. Jeez, this spot's golden today, Dad.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's a little one. 1 pounder probably.
That's a nice fish.
Look at that bass.
All right, there we go. Ashley's bass. Maybe one
That was a bass.
1 pounder. She didn't even know she had a fish. She thought it was snagged.
I swear.
And there that.
Hard like it was.
Pumpkin seed bluegill hybrid.
Wow, that's a really cool looking fish.
Yeah, it is.
Get a good shot of that, Ash. You're gonna take that one off. I can't do them all for you.
She's taking off the rest of the fish except pickerel. There's one. It's a hard fighter, but it's a sunny, I think.
I can't grip them. That's the thing.
What is this? That's a monster.
Red breast?
No, it's a bluegill. These things got sweet colors to them.
It's like.
In the water, so
There you go. It's another big sunny. Here, Ash. Give me it. I'll put it between my legs.
I would have.
Here's a beauty.
That's a cool looking one.
That's an amazing. Sorry, dude. This spot's crazy. Dude, we might see a fish come up and eat that.
What is that?
Cicada.
Yep.
Something, dude.
You see that?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Dude, grab one and let it float around.
Put it on the line?
Yeah.
Oh my shirt.
Do you think one would hit it?
Dude, did you see that?
Yeah.
Why would that be any different?
If I had the fly rod. I'm just gonna film Ashley right now because this isn't working very well.
Just in case, Dad, can you cast it out?
What kind of rig on? Is mine set up for this rig down?
Can you
Go get my
cast
pole.
it out like you did before, Dad?
Go get my pole. I'll catch the cicadas and hook them up for you. So we catch them on camera.
And we can do a fishing cicada video.
my
Oh,
goodness.
Dad, 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 Dad.
Oh, Sonny's coming up for it. Yeah.
You got your camera on?
Yeah, that thing got slurped the second it hit the water. You don't need the bobber.
Well, she put it on for a worm, so.
Oh.
Yeah, go get my rig.
All right, guys. That's the cicada. Just 2 cicadas just got eaten. My dad caught one. Then we're putting them on for bait.
Stop flapping and get it by the wing, just like that.
They can't get you.
Well, it can't get you no matter what, but I can just try to get it through.
Just so the wings are still flapping, right?
Yeah.
And I think I'm about to see a blow up on the top of the water with a cicada. Oh yeah, he's moving barely. Oh my gosh, a fish just waked on it. Oh, something just picked it up. Oh! I'm gonna need another cicada. I will. Just got eaten off the top of the water.
So, hold them by the wings. I hold them upside down. I just go right in through the midsection.
And they can't hurt you, right?
One side, not that I'm aware of. I guess they could have. You ate it and you're allergic to shellfish.
Hook point exposed?
Yeah, points exposed. I don't know if that'll work. I'm not sure how to hook them, but
That's
it
how.
gets attention. Let's put it that way.
Oh, I don't think they can fly once they hit the water.
They can.
No,
They will
no,
try.
they won't fly, but they'll flap, and that's what gets the fish's attention.
Well, they're trying
So,
to
I'll
fly.
tell YouTube that.
Yeah.
There's something big came out of the weeds down there. See it?
Yeah, they all. It's been.
Just let it go. It'll.
So guys, these cicadas are all over the place. And oh, did you see that?
No.
Oh, it came up and smacked it. It didn't come out of the water, but it smacked it. That was sweet. Yeah, they love the flies today.
So this is what they've been eating for real.
Yeah, this is Max the Hatch. That's a bass. Did you get him?
No.
Oh, I saw it. It was a bass.
It wasn't a bass.
That one out there was.
Floating anymore.
All right, guys. Oh, jeez. This one's got some action.
Dad, this one's not floating anymore.
Oh my gosh. Did you see that wake? Oh. Now, how did I miss that? He came up and ate. You saw him come up and eat it. He came back up and he's floating.
Yeah, he let it go.
He spit it.
Watch. Someone's going to bang that thing too.
And it's moving perfect. This thing is going nuts on the top of the water.
Put a hook and everything, Jim.
Oh my gosh! It hit the cicada right next to mine. It hit the dead one.
If he likes
Come on.
it, he'll get yours.
There's one more meal waiting right there. There's big fish now too.
Just a regular hook.
Dad, that's...
in that little box, like
Did you see the one right next to it get destroyed? Actually. Alright. Oh, maybe I'll hook one of these sooner or later. I'm just basically just feeding fish out here. Not catching them right now. Oh my god. I might just try to set it right away. Yep. There we go. Set it right away because they spit it. I think it's too small for the sunnies.
too big for the sunnies.
I don't know. Yeah. Too big for... Ow. Yeah. There we go. I just tried to set that hook instantly. And a little bluegill came out of it. Ash, the second you see it get taken, set it. And you have some slack, so set it hard.
I know.
Point your rod till the tip of the water.
You don't have nothing on you? Something just wait big time right after.
Oh my god, what did you do, Cicada?
That's big. It's big. It's big.
We'll let them in those
Dad.
Give me it.
Oh my, he clinged on to the dog.
Oh, I was on the weeds. I had the weeds pulling with it too.
I don't even know what that thing did.
It's not that small either, dude.
Oh, no, that's a...
Yeah.
Oh my.
Jeez.
So my cicada, the grumpy, made a whole bird's nest.
Now I let that one...
Can I try and cast it
You
out?
didn't even see that hit, dude.
Hey guys, so that's gonna do it for the video. In this video, we were just gonna fish with some lures, and we were just gonna try out some worms to see whatever we could catch in one of our freshwater honey holes. But ended up the cicadas were everywhere. They were roaring. They were all over the place. So we decided to put a couple on the hook and drift them down the little current. We'll see what we get. So we ended up landing some fish on them. So I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next time. Peace.